Pew Pew! What? What?
How are clouds supposed to hurt us?
Pew Pew Pew.
Pew pew.
Basically, we are playing Pew Pew, and we're
pew pew.
Oh, damn it!
You say pew. Yeah, we did. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Pew pew. I keep shooting myself. That makes no freaking sense. Apparently, I shoot out of my buttocks. Pew pew.
Pew Pew.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Calm down.
Ah!
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Where did I go? Okay,
Pew, pew.
I'm back here. Pew Pew
I'm
Pew.
still flying. I'm like do.
Almost died. Oh gosh.
Pew pew.
Pew Pew. I don't understand these ones.
Pew pew.
Like it doesn't. Whoa! I accidentally shot myself. Come here, mate. Oh!
It sounded like you said I accidentally shit myself.
Come on. Oh, we've got shooting balloons now. Oh gosh. No, don't. Ah! I think I'm dead. Oh no, I'm not. I survived. I don't know how I survived that. Ah!
How the hell do we play this?
Ah!
If we keep shooting ourselves. No, I'm gonna take a selfie.
You're gonna just randomly take a selfie because that's not weird.
Selfie. Oh, crap. You won't let me take a selfie. Like it doesn't even take 1 second. Selfie. I got myself. What the hell am I holding?
Oh! I just accidentally killed myself.
I'm saving that. I don't know what the hell I just do. Apparently I'm holding something like glowing. Selfie. I wasted a selfie. I wasted that one.
Ah! Oops! I
Now I've
almost
got 20 left.
accidentally killed myself.
Now I've got 20 selfies left. I wasted a selfie because of that.
Oh no! I died.
It's the soul survivor. Ooh, spooky, scary times. Pew pew!
Oh, there's bombs.
I'm gonna get wrecked, mate. Get wrecked.
Oh. Ah!
Oh, I keep shooting myself.
Me too.
I keep shooting myself. I mean shooting. Anvil.
Oh!
Jesus
I
Christ.
accidentally killed myself.
How am I supposed to shoot these things? Jesus
Oh
Christ.
god!
What's going on? Oh no.
Ah!
I can unspectate.
Ah! Where am I? I don't even know.
I can't
Ah!
see myself.
Where am I? Okay. Ah! There's no way I can win this.
Laser.
Okay, yeah.
Ice is lasers. Pew 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 pew
Pew pew!
pew pew
Pew!
pew pew.
Ah! Pew 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 pew! Ah! I died. What the hell is that?
Onions, I'm pretty sure. Onion.
Gonna shoot this onion. Oh.
Eat my balls.
I just said it so wrong.
Already. Well, they are technically balls.
Ah no! I just died.
I guess we're boxing then. I get it.
I get it. No! This wasn't so good. I wish more people would play Pew Pew because that would be fun. Damn it!
Jesus Christ! This guy won't calm down.
Oh, damn it!
Crap.
Come on, no!
No.
Damn it!
What are we?
There's another guy! Yes! This is good.
Pew 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 pew. Oh, it's a fox.
Oh, what the?
Pew 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 pew. He's got an orange cat hat. No, I need the orange one. Pew 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 pew. Pew pew.
What? Yeah, the ice thing just confused me. Come on. Pew, 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 pew. I'm shooting chocolate at them.
This doesn't give you any coins though, seriously.
Ah, no! I just died.
Beep, 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 beep,
Ah.
beep. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew.
Oh. Get him, get him, get him. No, don't die, don't die, don't die.
Die.
Ah! Okay.
I'm done. This freaking sucks. Someone's gift of his Fluttershy. That pole looks really awesome.
I'm gonna see Rudder Polt. Okay, let's see what this is. What the hell?
I know, right?
Team killing is not allowed and can be punished. Team, what? You have joined Team
Yeah, I
Yellow.
can see you.
What am I supposed to?
I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, so it's basically like another shoot.
Ah! No.
Shooting angles, I don't know what I'm doing, don't know what I'm doing. Don't know what I'm doing, don't know what I'm doing. Doing. These people are trying to shoot me. No! Go away. Go away. Oh my freaking god.
I don't even understand it.
I feel like playing a normal one. Let's try out football.
Football.
This is normal?
Football.
The hell is this? 21 mice. The hell is going on? The hell is going on?
What the? Can I have
like
it?
that guy, like the orange and white guy.
Come
What the
on.
hell is going on? Like, there's actually a ball, but that's not a football.
Let me have it. Ball.
Yeah, you just press spacebar apparently. You join the red team. Oh, okay, yeah, red team fun. Ooh, red team fun. I don't know how to play football, but I'm just gonna go.
I'm on the red team too. I don't even understand what I'm doing.
My ball. Oh no, he's got the ball. He comes in a run. He's about to kick it. No. Oh dang, did you see that kick? He's making a run for it. He threw the ball, and then someone catches it. I don't know.
This is confusing.
Someone just do a slam dunk.
This is nothing like football, but is what usually happens when I play sports. All I do is run around like an idiot.
I almost got that freaking ball.
Can you? Oh no.
Yabba dabba doo, yabba dabba doo.
Aww. I thought I got the ball.
I want to take a selfie.
Just casually take a selfie. Wait, what? Just casually take a
I'll
selfie.
take a selfie with everyone on the server.
Take a selfie. Taking a selfie. I just randomly took a selfie with random guys for no
I
reason.
want to dress up like that white and orange guy. He's like got all the stuff that I want.
I think I'm actually gonna end this video. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this.
I'm gonna play a normal game of Transformice.
Yeah, I'm gonna end this. Bye, guys.